Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from eTimes TV.
I think the biggest task, मैंने ये कहीं पढ़ा भी था, the biggest task for an actor are two tasks. One is to make it to the industry and the other is to sustain. Obviously, it'll be quite biased for me to choose only one character out of all that I've performed, but it's okay. I will just give you out an idea about the character that I absolutely loved playing. Has to be Anami for Rishton Ka Chakravyuh.
Hi, Mahima.
Without the
Hi.
mask.
When was the time, Mahima, you felt that you have that, acting ka keeda and you should go for it?
Honestly, there's no sort of like a moment that I have in mind, or if I remember, because I started off at a very young age. I started off when I was 9, 10. So I think that just happened over the years where I realized that, oh, this is where I belong and this is what I want to do, and this gives me a lot of happiness despite of the competition and the rejections and the criticism and everything that an actor faces. Because let's not forget the fact that it is a creative field, and it requires one to be very patient, and also to be like you also said, it also requires for an actor to have a thick skin. But the instability that the profession holds is something that is very tough. So I think काम करते करते realize हो गया था कि हाँ यही करना है बस.
तो rejection phase आपको देखना पड़ा या चीजें just happened one after the other for you?
No. I was fortunate that whatever that I landed up with was great, but rejections are still there, and actors don't talk about it, but there are rejections every single day, and I wouldn't say that it doesn't hurt, but now as actors we, I think, prepare ourselves to not expect anything from the audition. We are hoping, but let's not hope so much कि अगर नहीं मिला तो hurt ना हो. And for me, I'll tell you something, मेरे लिए वही projects work कर रहे हैं जिनसे मैंने expect नहीं किया है. So there are rejections every day, and we still audition for ads, web, everything, and there are 8 out of the 10 projects that we don't get, which is fine, because I think it's a part and parcel of the profession that I belong to. So there is no question about not facing rejections. It happens every day, and we are, it's like a mini heartbreak. Oh, okay, where did I go wrong? So then you start understanding the wrongdoings of the audition, or अरे अच्छा कर सकते थे. So that happens every day.
I will quickly take few fans' questions, then we'll resume to our other questions. Funniest moment on the set, she'll never forget.
I would rather give you an incident for life that I would never forget. It's not funny. It was funny for the entire set, but it was very embarrassing, and I have cried on the set. Not once, not twice, but thrice. So this, I would take you back to my one of my most special shows, and that is Mariam Khan Reporting Live, and most special co-star, that is Mr. Param Singh. Now, while we were doing that show, in the little span of 3 months, we became sort of family, because we started off together in the show. There was a new director that came on board, so it was a family, and we just I think with some relations, with some people, you just click in a second. That's how happened with him, and we became buddies. So I think this was a month before the show was shut. This guy comes to me and he's like, these people are replacing me, and I'm not doing the show anymore, and this and that, and so I won't be seeing you hereafter, and then that's it. You have no idea. I was such an idiot to take him seriously, and I have cried. I have sobbed like an idiot in front of the entire unit, and I was like, no, this can't happen. This guy can't leave. See, because we became such good friends that you don't want to lose on to a friend, because you were so used to seeing each other every day, meeting each other, and all of that. So I cried, and my director, Noel Smith, he started recording And when this whole tamasha was happening, I realized कि अच्छा ये prank हुआ
It
है
was a
आप पर.
prank. हाँ.
It was a prank, and I was crying for half an hour. And I was like, no, you can't. And I was crying like a baby. So this is one incident that I'm not going to forget for life. And you won't believe this happened not once, twice, but thrice. And the reaction
Oh
was
my
the
God.
same.
And how have you sailed through your career? Because जैसे इतने heartbreaks मिलते हैं, it is difficult to sustain in this industry. तो आपने sail कैसे किया? I'm sure there must be moments when you want to give up everything and go back to a normal life जहाँ पे थोड़ी predictability हो, इतनी unpredictability ना हो कि आपका एक show hit होता है and you never know कि वो next show आपको अच्छा मिलेगा या नहीं, promising मिलेगा या नहीं. So how have you sailed?
I think being persistent is the only key. And consistency is something that we actors have to have for life. Because जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा कि because of the uncertainty and unstability that my profession holds, one can't expect to have rainbows every day. And it's something that I have learned the hard way. Because I wouldn't say it's okay to... Everybody wants work and, everybody wants to... We as actors, we make a living out of the profession that we are a part of. So, I think the biggest task, मैंने ये कहीं पढ़ा भी था, the biggest task for an actor are two tasks. One is to make it to the industry and the other is to sustain. So we all have our own journey, but as long as the journey is challenging, obviously, I can't expect to have rainbows and colors through my journey. There has to, the journey will be colorful. There will be days which are grey. There will be days which are colorful. The only thing that I as an actor can do is to just have my focus and grow every single day. So, right now, अगर हम growth की बात करें तो lockdown में I've also started learning Kathak. I've also started learning dancing. I was also learning martial arts before second lockdown was announced. So, there are these things that you do that help you as an actor to just make you skillful. So, आप अपने तरीके ढूंढ लेते हो यार. I mean, there's no sort of formula that I have कि मैंने ये किया and that's how I've sustained. We just we just prepare ourselves according to the situations and react how it's required for us to react. But like I said, there is no substitute to hard work, and consistency is the key. Something that I've realized.
Yeah, and now that you are, you're polishing your skills and you're adding new things to yourself, like the martial art thing or the Kathak thing. Eventually, seen on the 70mm, the big screen, is something that you aspire for, Mahima?
See, I mean, that's not my motive for me to learn and adapt to these different skills that I'm learning. I just want to learn, because when I was doing TV or when I was busy with working, I didn't have time for myself to be able to just learn and see कि ये क्या है, वो क्या है. So for me, I'm just making a fruitful thing out of my time, and I'm just trying to learn and experiment with things. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं है that I'm learning it because I want to. I'm hoping for an MMA fighter role, or I'm polishing my Kathak because I'm looking for a certain type of role. I think it will just add on to the offers, if at all it has to happen. It will add on to it will add on to me as an actor or me as an artist, because I think all these things, they help. They somehow help.
But as an actor तो आप aspire करते हो ना कि एक दिन बड़े पर्दे पे दिखना है.
हाँ, मतलब I can. Obviously, it's just every actor's dream to be a part of the big screen. Because I mean, it is every actor's dream to be able to work with the biggest filmmakers that we have, and be a part of an intriguing or a beautiful script. So we all want that, and I think it will happen if it has to happen, and we all are just striving hard, or we're just it's a journey that is going on. So obviously, मतलब सपना तो है ही.
हाँ. पर महिमा, आपका कभी ऐसा कोई वक्त आपने देखा when you were very heartbroken and you felt that maybe I'm not made for this industry, or ऐसा कोई रोल आपसे छिन गया हो या फिर आपको ultimately replace कर दिया होगा, which you felt that you would have done a better job?
Yeah, there were a couple of moments where I thought that I shouldn't be a part of this, but then suddenly मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जब ऐसा मोमेंट आता है तो one has to remember why they began, why they even started. So one has to remember their roots. So I think one has to remember why they started. And I've had my own moments where I've lost a project, where I've lost a character. I was told that shooting 2 दिन में शुरू हो रही है और अचानक से काम नहीं शुरू हो रहा है. So तब बहुत बुरा लगता है. But like I also said in the beginning of this interview, that I believe in the butterfly effect. If it's not working, then maybe it has not worked for a reason. And it takes time for anybody to understand and accept this idea of butterfly effect, because obviously आपके हाथ से अगर आपका काम जा रहा है and the character that you're so attached to, or maybe you've prepared and maybe you've put so much hard work to just make it to the set, and then suddenly काम नहीं हो रहा, तो बुरा तो बहुत लगता है. It is a heartbreak, but I think it's again a part of the profession. And it's again I remind myself कि मैंने क्यों शुरुआत की थी और मुझे क्या करना है. Because if you have your goal, or if you have your determination in mind, then the journey becomes more challenging and at the same time more smooth as an individual. Right. Yeah.
Any difficulty that you faced during your childhood when you started your career?
My journey, or maybe my start, has been full of peaks and valleys, is what I have to say. This actually made me nostalgic and took me back to the time when it all started, when I used to simultaneously go to the school, give my exams, study on the set, still trying to keep at it, that I should give this a try, and maybe I am for a lot of questions that I had in my mind while I was a kid, and I was just giving n number of auditions dete jao. I don't even have a count of the auditions that I gave while I was a kiddo. So I remember, I think I was in 9th or 10th, and I told my mom that, Mummy, I don't think यहाँ कुछ हो रहा है. I just want to get back to studies and focus on schooling. And that's the best thing for me to do. But mom told me that no, if you're not made for it, then you'll know it. But give it a try. Keep at it. Be persistent. So this is a learning that I've gotten from her, that, despite the storm that I had during the beginning of my career, I should be strong enough to be able to take that and move forward. So बहुत सारी difficulties हुई और काम नहीं मिला. There were rejections and there are still rejections, but then you just sort of get a project and it changes your life, or it sorts of gives you an opportunity. But जैसे मैंने पहले कहा है, main task होता है to make it to the industry, and the other task is to sustain yourself. So yeah.
Which is your favorite character of yours which till date you have played?
Obviously, it'll be quite biased for me to choose only one character out of all that I've performed, but it's okay. I will just give you out an idea about the character that I absolutely loved playing. Has to be Anami for Rishton Ka Chakravyuh.
Yes. Thank you so much, Mahima. It was pleasure talking to you. Take care of yourself too, and
thank you.
Be happy always.
Thank you. This is a lovely interview. Thank you.